Hello. Yes, dear friends, in this video I will explain centripetal force. This topic I have noticed is very not well understood by people and always remain confused. Centripetal force, नाम से ही कुछ ट्रबल है, पता नहीं क्या है. तो व्हाट इज सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स? वी नो, मैं लिख देता हूं पहले. वी नो दैट व्हेन ए बॉडी मूव ऑन सर्कुलर पाथ with constant velocity, then direction of motion keeps on changing continuously, while the magnitude of velocity of motion does not change. Velocity being vector quantity can change either by change of magnitude or change of direction. So when body moving on circular path, here velocity this way, here this way, magnitude same but doesn't keep on changing. And when velocity changes, there is acceleration. So there is an acceleration. Whose direction is always towards center of circular path. Along radius. And now you very well know this acceleration is called centripetal acceleration. This acceleration is called centripetal acceleration. This acceleration is called centripetal acceleration. The magnitude of this acceleration is given by A equal to B square by R. We have learned this as centripetal acceleration. So centripetal acceleration is a case of uniform circular motion. When body moves on circular path with constant speed, then motion of body is said to be uniform motion. And due to change of direction, velocity vector keep on changing. And when velocity changes, then change in velocity per time is called acceleration. So this is acceleration. Now from Newton's second law, you know acceleration is produced by a net force. So, from Newton's second law, from Newton's second law of motion, a net force X along radius towards center of circular path. The magnitude of this force is given by F equal to mv square upon r. Since F equal to ma, magnitude, m is the mass of body, a is the acceleration which is here. So this force is called centripetal force. This force which acts towards center. This force which acts towards center along radius is called centripetal force. So this force is called centripetal force. अब यहाँ here just formula is A equal to v square by r. Acceleration is there, and hence from F equal to ma, we find that some force acts on the body towards center. But why this force acting there? भाई ठीक है, F equal to ma से force आ गया. F equal to ma कहता है कि force acting the body. Actually acting नहीं है ये. People understand कि when body moves through path, a central force is produce itself. ये itself पैदा नहीं हुआ. This force is not produced itself because of centripetal acceleration. Actually, force causes acceleration. Acceleration does not cause force. Force causes acceleration. Here, direction keep on changing. From Newton's first law. Remember the exact statement of Newton's first law. I am repeating here that when a body at rest, remain at rest, body in motion, remain in motion in straight line with constant velocity if no unbalanced external force act on the body. Last body that body continues remain in motion with constant speed in straight line if no external force acts. Without applying force, change of direction will not take place. So central force is a required force here. If this body is moving on circular path, then this body needs central force. Who will apply, that is another factor. But central force is not produced because of centripetal acceleration. This acceleration has to be produced by this force. Here, please be very careful. People don't understand what is central force and they start calling centrifugal force. If this is, suppose here is a stone tied with a string, and here by picking this up in our hand we rotate, then who provides centripetal force? the tension in the string होगी वो will provide necessary force. If the string is cut anyhow, then the body will continue to straight line and go tangentially. So this central force is a required force. Why it is required? Because direction has to be changed continuously, and this force which acts at right angle does not change the magnitude of velocity, only changes the direction. Centripetal force is needed to change the direction of motion. Newton first law states a body at rest remains at rest. Body in motion remains in motion until and unless an unbalanced force applied on it. And here, when body moves circular path, that needs central force because direction changes continuously. So this force has to be applied at right angle to velocity. Velocity this way. And remember, it is to be noted here, any force which acts at right angle to the direction of velocity does not change the magnitude of velocity. Any force which acts at right angle, any force which acts at right angle to the direction of velocity, does not change the magnitude of velocity. Does not change magnitude of velocity. It changes only the direction of motion. मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, ये बात बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स क्या है. इट इज रिक्वायर्ड फोर्स. दिस फोर्स रिक्वायर्ड टू चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन. It is not produced itself. For example, I told you when we rotate a stone tied with the end of a string, holding the other end in our hand, then we pull the string inward and body to change direction. Tension is produced because we are pulling it also. Otherwise, it will go along tangent. It does not go this way. लोगों को वहम होता है कि बाहर की ओर चले. एक्चुअली बाहर की ओर क्यों लगता है? जब तक यहाँ पे बॉडी यहाँ है तो हमें लगता है कि यहाँ चल गई. तो बॉडी go tangentially if no force. We might have seen car race. है ना? Some cars in the race lose their path. They go out. Why do they go out? Because they are not able to obtain the force proportional to v square. अगर v square बड़ा होगा तो बढ़ता जाएगा v square proportional to v square. तो force required force is much larger than. So to keep the balance or to take the turn, the force which body can move circular path is hard. Is given by this. If velocity goes beyond this, then radius has to be increased. बताएंगे अभी from where car obtains centripetal force. Car moving on circular path obtains centripetal force from force of friction, and that force is static friction between tire and road. I think it must be very you might have got it clear. When body moves circular path with constant speed, it doesn't keep on changing due to change of direction. Acceleration is there, which is called centripetal acceleration, A equal to V square by R, and called centripetal acceleration. So this acceleration is to be produced by some force. Acceleration is produced by a net unbalanced force. So some force has to be applied on the moving body, whose direction should be at right angle to the velocity towards center, and this force is called centripetal force. In next video I will take example of centripetal force where it is required and how to obtain this. Thank you.